How to update Play Store on Android. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio. And let's say you are having any problem with the Play Store and you just want to update your Play Store version, then here in this video I'll show you how you can do this. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. But so now to update the Play Store app, simply go ahead and open up the Play Store from your device, and from the Play Store homepage, simply go ahead and tap on this profile icon at the top right, and then simply go ahead and tap on settings from here. And once you're here inside your Play Store settings, at the bottom right here you'll get to see the about. You just need to expand this option, and under the about you'll get to see the update Play Store option. If you tap on the update Play Store button and tap on update button in order to update this app, he'll get to see it's showing Play Store is up to date for me, so I'm gonna tap on understood. But he'll get the update option. If you tap on this one, your Play Store will be updated. Hope this video helps you guys out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.